back here today. I'm gonna be in real life BonBon. Yay, I'm so excited, guys.
And who have you got there, Eva?
BonBon. Let's see what her makeup's doing without her glasses on.
So what are we going to need to transform you into BonBon?
We need to make her glasses. Before I didn't want to take them off for them.
You like glasses, don't you?
I can see the cover with glasses on.
Eva loves fashion glasses.
And these little shoes. I'm going to take this shoes and this one.
And what else are you going to need?
The dress with little bows and the t-shirt you did.
And what about the hair?
Oh my gosh, you can't even do this. Okay, it has blue at the back and pink eyebrows.
Pink eyebrows? I didn't even notice that. We're going to have to give you pink eyebrows today.
And look at her eyes, green.
Okay, well, I'm not sure we can make your eyes green, but we can definitely give you pink eyebrows.
We can paint my eyes.
Paint your eyes? I don't think you'd like that very much.
I would like it. Now it's time to put on my outfit. What about my hair? Hey, BonBon's got glasses around mine. There they are. What do you think, guys? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.